Today is the day we're gonna get this hair finished. Today is the day. Okay guys, today is the day. I'm tired of dealing with this hair. I've been dealing with this for a couple of days and I am tired of this bun. I'm tired of putting wraps around it. I'm tired of doing it. I'm tired of everything. I need to focus and get it done. I could have been done a long time ago, but life is lifing around here, y'all. I got a lot of stuff going on all at the same time. So I just do a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit here, a little bit there. But today I'm going to focus on getting this done. I don't care if I got to stay up until midnight. I'm going to get some coffee. I'm going to be doing whatever I need to do because today is the day. So I've been making pretty good progress. I've worked on it a little bit earlier this morning, but right now I have this section sectioned off to do. This section is already done and this section needs to be done. So that's where we're at. I'm going to turn around so you can see the back. So I got all this part done. All this part is done. Let me take this off so you can see. All this part is done in the back. And I just have all of this left to do up here at the top. Let's put this back in a ponytail. Like that to hold that part secure. Then we're going to work on this part and go row by row until it's done. So let's go. Another reason I keep stopping is because it's hot as hell. Oh my God, I cannot wait for fall. One more section to do for the back. The back is a little bit harder to see, so it takes longer, but the front is just row by row by row, and I can look straight on and see it, so that goes a little bit faster. So we're in the final stretch after I finish this part for the back. Okay, now it's time to start on the front. Thankfully, I made it to the front. So to do the front, you just pull it all over to one side and just start going row by row by row by row like this. And it's hot again. Oh yeah, these are already done. I remember from when I did my fake retie, and I will link that video in the comments up here. I forgot all about that. So I don't even have to do this part. I'm further along than I thought. Yeah. So just so I can show you guys row by row what I mean by row. I just go like this, and I go from each row and kind of separate it out and go down like this, like that, row by row. All of this part needs to be finished, and this is the part I'm going to work on, but I go row by row by row by row until I get over maybe about probably right here, the part coming down, and the rest of it I'm going to start on this side and come up so that I could do it down, hanging down this way. Does that make sense? Hopefully that makes sense, but you'll see as we get going. All right, let's go. Now let's see how much further up I need to go. I'm kind of liking that little side part, so I'm going to stop right there. So for this side, to do that, I'm going to stop right here and take this part out. So all of this is done. This is not done. I'm going to put a ponytail holder on this real quick to hold that part. And then I'm going to take this whole back part and the sides and put it in the ponytail out of my way. All we have left now to do is this section here, which hopefully won't take too long, but I do have to take a break in a minute. We're gonna keep going till it's time to take a break, and then I'll come back and finish the rest later on today, but this hair will be done today. The back part is what I have done so far. All of this part and all of that part. And this part is the only part that's left to be done. So I'm just going to take this and put it in a bun while I go out for a little while. Some errands I have to run. I'm just going to bun it up and come back and finish it later. So. And no one will ever know I'm a work in progress. Definitely a work in progress. This is how much I have done so far. This is the part that's done and this is not. So here we go. I'll see y'all in a little while. I'm gonna come back and finish this tonight. I'm telling you, I'm gonna finish it tonight. Well, if you watched my previous video, you know where I am. I'm back at the gym. But today I'm only going to be here for a couple of hours, so I not only have this part of my hair left to do, so I'm getting ready to sit here and plow away at it and see how much I can get done before it's time for us to leave here in a couple of hours. Well guys, I'm officially almost done. I could have been done, but I saved this last little section to do on camera. These look like all the ones that I did before. So I think I'm not going to have to do much to these, but I'm just going to fill in that little space that's there. There's a little bit of a space, but other than that, I think these are pretty much done. See if there's a little bit of space on these. Just a little bit. Let's see if you can see. I'll go up. Since I want these to go over to this side, I'm going to go up like that. And last one. I'm done. All done. All done, guys. The time is now, I don't even know what time it is. I feel like it's around 10 o'clock. All of it is tightened. I don't have to do anything else to this hair, retightening wise, for the next 6 weeks or so. I don't know how long it took me, probably like a day and a half, maybe 2 days with stopping and starting and stopping and starting and living life in between. That's the beauty of me retightening myself, because I can literally take as much time as I want. I can take as much time or as little time as I want, and there is no rush, and it's free. I will talk to y'all in the next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.